So, Matt, now is the official time that I welcome you to our family. And I just want you to know how proud Lee and I are that you are our son-in-law. Thank you. I mean that. So, Stace, two of the most important days of my life were the day that I married your mom and today, when I walked you down the aisle. It was an honor and a privilege. And you just don't know how much that means to me. I can't even explain it. So congratulations to the both of you. We love you. And here's to my daughter and to my son-in-law. Cheers.
First two dates. I can admit, probably not my best showing. I have been told I don't make the best first impressions. And despite that, here we stand, still able to create our landmark date in 2018, resilience. The first Packers game we watched together was a Packers loss. We toughed it out, resilience. Or how we moved in together literally 1 week before the COVID lockdowns, and how we had to learn to live with each other when we felt like there was no space or no space to live our normal lives. Resilience got us through. And through all that, I feel we continue to grow stronger. I actually feel like I've actually lived more in the past 5 years than I did in my previous 30.
Celebrating you as you begin this new chapter. 5 years with forever to go, and I cannot wait for the next adventure or the next night in bed. Life with you has taught me so much, and with each passing minute, I get closer to the version I want to be for you. You mean the world to me, and I hope I deliver on making your dreams come true. I will make them true. I cannot wait to call you my wife every single day. The tough times have made us ready for life, and this has never felt more right or perfect. I love you, and I am ready to celebrate us and what we have and what is to come. Let's do this. Congratulations on your retirement from being single. I think this was a retirement card.
Sealed with a kiss, and the adventure begins. Happy wedding, happy forever. Thank you for everything, especially the last couple of days, for being my rock. My vows will soon say it all, soon to be husband. I love you, Stacey.
What? Do you have the part that goes over your face? I have the part that, yeah, I know.
Does it feel secure? And then he lifts it off. It does.
Are you crying? Don't cry. I love you too. You like it?
Yes. I want to run your makeup.
Yeah, my veil.
Yep.
It's very wet. Okay, you can turn around because I don't have a hand. You like it? Look at my mermaid hair. It's like very mermaid. Like I have a pony. My extensions. Was it what you pictured?
I didn't. I just pictured white.
Yeah. You not only are the love of my life, but you are my best friend. I've never felt more loved by anyone else. And on top of that, you've always allowed me to be me and never have for a second wanted me to change. I honestly never thought I would meet someone I could trust again. And the security you've provided me, you'll never know how much that has meant and how much it means to me today.
Having proclaimed your love and commitment in sight of all these people and witnesses and myself, I'm happy to pronounce you, by the power vested in me in the state of Virginia and the University Life Church, husband and wife. Matthew, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to introduce to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Sosa.
Put your hands together and help me welcome for the second time ever, Mr. and Mrs. Matthew and Stacey Sosa.
Now that you've walked down the aisle wearing something old and new, please know that you and Matt will always be my soulmates and that I really love you.
And if marriage is a marathon, I truly believe that no matter what obstacles life brings Stacey and Matt, that they will make it to the finish line together.